Welcome to physics class. Today we will discuss about human eye and the defects of vision. First of all, we will discuss about human eye. Human eye can be treated as an optical instrument. Light rays coming from the object to be seen enter the eye through cornea and falls on the eye lens through the pupil of the eye. As the eye lens is a double convex lens, it forms a real, inverted, and smaller image of the object on the retina. The retina contains numerous light sensitive cells which are activated by the light falling on the retina and generate electrical signals. These signals are then sent to the brain via the optic nerve. The brain processes this information and we perceive objects as they are. The numerous light-sensitive cells contained in the retina of the eye are of two types: rod-shaped cells which respond to brightness or intensity of light, and cone-shaped cells which respond to color of light. Thus, cone-shaped cells enables us to distinguish between different colors. When a person can't distinguish between different colors, he is said to be colorblind, though his vision may otherwise be normal. Color blindness is a genetic disorder which occurs by inheritance. So far, there is no cure for color blindness. Power of the eye to observe distinctly the objects situated at widely different distances from eye is called power of accommodation or accommodation of the eye. This is achieved by the action of ciliary muscles holding the eye lens. For observing distant objects, ciliary muscles are relaxed and the eye lens has maximum focal length. For observing nearby distances of the objects, ciliary muscles are tense, decreasing the focal length of eye lens. The most distant point at which an object can be seen clearly is called far point of the eye. For normal eye, far point is at infinity. The point at closest distance at which an object can be seen clearly by the eye is called near point of the eye. For a normal eye, near point is at 25 cm, which is called the least distance of distinct vision of normal eye. The distance between far point and near point of the eye is called range of vision of the eye. In this pic, you can see clearly the ciliary muscles holding the eye lens, which help to increase or decrease the focal length of the eye lens to see nearby and far away object. Hence, it helps in the accommodation of eye to see nearby and distant objects. Observe this diagram very carefully. Outermost layer or the uppermost layer is transparent, which is cornea through which light passes to the inner parts of the human eye, and the colored part, bluish green part, that is iris. In between there is aperture which is known as pupil, which control the light entering the eye, focusing the light toward the eye lens. It is very clear from this diagram. Defects of vision. First one, myopia, also known as short-sightedness. It is that defect of human eye by virtue of which it can see clearly the objects lying at short distances from it, but the far off objects cannot be seen clearly by the myopic eye. It is very clear from the diagram. Upper one is for the normal vision, forming a image at the retina, but lower one is the defective eye, in which image is formed in front of the retina, not at retina. In the closer view for the normal eye, light is focused directly on the retina. In the lower diagram, that is myopic eye, light is focused in front of the retina and resulting in the blur image. Observe these three diagrams very carefully. First one, normal eye image are formed directly on the retina, creating good vision at a distance, means image is formed at retina. Myopic eye, middle one, images are formed in front of the retina causing blurry vision at a distance. With using correct spectacles and contact lenses, full vision is possible. Third one, very high myopic eye. Image focused is too far ahead of the retina, so the vision becomes very blurred. Full correction is not possible with spectacles or contact lenses here. And in the last case, eyeball is elongated. Causes of the myopia. Eyeball may be too elongated in the shape. The refractive power of the cornea may be inadequate, and the lens may not become flat enough when the ciliary muscles contract, or decrease in the focal length of eye lens when the eye is fully relaxed. This is as if the ciliary muscles holding the eye lens do not relax fully and have some tension. To correct a myopic eye, the person has to wear spectacles with a concave lens of suitable focal length or power. Second defect of vision is hypermetropia or long-sightedness. It is that defect of the human eye by virtue of which it can see clearly the objects lying at large distances from it. But the nearby objects cannot be seen clearly by the hypermetropic eye. As you can see in the second diagram, image is formed behind the retina. It means focal point is behind the retina. In the hypermetropia, eyeball is too short, light is under-focused causing a blurred image on the retina. Here is one more diagram in which you can see image is formed on the dotted line, means extended eyeball. Eyeball becomes too short. Causes of hypermetropia: shortening of the eyeball, that is, the eyeball becomes smaller. Increase in focal length of eye lens. To correct a hypermetropic eye, the person has to wear spectacles with a convex lens of suitable focal length or power. Third defect, presbyopia. Presbyopia is gradual loss of the accommodative response resulting from loss of elasticity of the lens. It becomes a clinical problem when accommodative amplitude becomes insufficient for the patient for near work or reading. Presbyopia is also known as old sight, and it can be corrected by using bifocal lenses to see near and distant objects. In the next video, we will discuss about the structure of human eye using the model. Thanks for watching.